Hello and welcome to RobinReach. In this video, we'll show you how to use RobinReach to grow your social media presence effortlessly and grow your social media audience with all social media channels from a single platform. First of all, if you don't have an account, you can click on Get Started Now to create your own account. It's totally for free, no credit card. Just cancel anytime if you don't like it. If you have an account already, just click on Sign In. From sign in here, enter your email and password, or you can sign in with Google account. So click on sign in. Once you click sign in, you'll be redirected to the calendar view. If you already have an account, if your account is new, so you don't have any social profiles, you'll be redirected to this page where you can add your Facebook pages, Instagram business profile, company, LinkedIn company pages or personal profile, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. Once you connect your profile, up to 9 social media channels as of now, and there are more coming very soon. You can click on this button where you view your connected profiles and you see the list of all the profiles here. You can edit a profile, can delete it, you can view the report for that particular profile, and so on. So once this is done, the next thing you would do is to go to RobinGen. If you want to very easy and quick post, you can just say you simply use our AI tool to create all types of posts you can think of. You can create a post with notes or from a link. You just give it the URL and select channel and the tone of voice and the language of the post, whether it's English or Spanish or whatever. We have many languages supported, and just add the link for the website. RobinReach will do the rest. Will pull the data, create an amazing engaging post for you, and have it ready for you to be published. You can also create a post for a specific holiday, or even a first comment for a post, or blog to social media post. You have a blog, give us the URL, or create a post. Announcement, yes, everything, even trending hashtags. For a specific topic, you give us a topic, and then we'll create a list of hashtags that you can use for the topic. So let's test out the post with notes. So I'm here, I want Facebook, I want it friendly in English, and I'm just gonna say social media management with RobinReach. Click on generate content. What this will do is will take all these details I have provided in here, creates a post for me with the hashtags, with all the content that is needed, even emojis included, and redirect me to the compose section where I can just here select what profiles I want this post to go to. Have here this Facebook pages, 2 of them, and maybe also this LinkedIn page. That is good. So you can add as many profiles as possible as long as those profiles supported. For example, Instagram requires an image, so the post would need an image. We also have custom options for Facebook. For example, you can post as a post or a reel or story. You can provide a first comment for the post, and same thing for LinkedIn. You can provide also a first comment for the post. So after the post is done, published, the first comment will be updated to the post. And here we also have uh, our tool. Let's say RobinReach.com. Here you can see we have a review for a link. This is the post how it would look like on Facebook, and this is how it would look like, similar to how it would look like on LinkedIn. We do also have options for Media Kit. You can direct upload from your own computer, or you can choose one of many options or any of those options we have, either from direct library, which we'll talk about very soon. You can select the folder and the images, and then select what image we would want to use. Let's say, for example, we would want to use this one. Click Save and Continue, and the image will be added to the post down below. We can create from Canva or AI Carousel. We can create AI Carousel post with Post Nitro. We also have a GIF and Unsplash, and those are also coming very soon. So once this is done, you can see this is the image. Keep it or delete it. We can add a GIF as well. One other option is, if this post is not what I want, I can modify it myself, or I can also let AI handle that by doing it further optimization. For example, I've given the link here. maybe the AI will enhance it further and includes a link before the hashtags or provide more hashtags. So the AI will analyze the previous posts that it posted from my account and have the similar tone of voice that I've used in my previous posts. You can see here it changed the post properly. We have the link in the middle of the post and we have the hashtags below and also more emojis. So it's much, much better to be used for our users. Now, once this is done, we also have now it's time to publish or save it as draft or even schedule it for a later time. Save it as draft would simply just save it for draft. Nothing will happen. Here we can set the time zone, choosing Cairo time zone. This is where I am right now. Or we can simply choose any other time zone. So time zone, we don't have to choose it every time. If we have just a single time zone that we're working with, we can just do that and update it from the company setting. So every time we don't have to do that. However, if we're managing multiple profiles and we want to post in different time zone, we can simply choose the time zone for every single post. Now, if draft post will be saved, nothing will happen. Just later can edit, update, or add to it. If schedule, just simply choose the time that we want to schedule it in. If publish now, just it's going to be published at this very moment. Now, there's also an option to make this post recurring, meaning this post will be running and reposted at a specific interval. For example, we can run this post every day or on weekends or even the same day each week or the same date each month. And then until it would run automatically, if I choose, for example, to run it every day, it would run automatically until an end date, which is something I choose. I choose, for example, the end date to be in April 25th. Then this post will be published every day at the same time until April 25th. If I don't want this option, I can just do it now or publish. Let's keep it as draft. Confirm. Now my post will be created and saved for me. I can view it in the calendar. Now today is 24th. I can see this is my post and this is the content right here. Now, also I can see other posts that's been published. Here I do have also an option to manage all the posts from a single place. So if I head over to manage posts, I'm getting more detailed control and management of my posts, such as you can edit, you can view the post, you can filter the posts based on status, you can even assign post and republish it. Easy. You can also do the same from the calendar. For example, you have a published post and you want to have it either published again. All you have to do is just grab it, put it here, and that's it. The post will be published. For example, I have this post, I want it here. That's it. Grab, drag and drop functionality. Now, another option we have here is the automation. The automation in RobinReach is next level. We simply have everything you would need to grow your audience in social media very easily and straightforward. You have RCS feed, you can connect your RCS, you can upload bulk posts from a CSV, create hundreds of posts in no time, connect Shopify store, just give us the store URL, and whenever you create or update a product, we'll create posts for you. You can even connect your WordPress blog. Whenever you create a new blog, article, we're going to create a post for you using AI, everything here using AI. So ensure you have a content that is extremely engaging and customized. We also do have the option to connect your Bitly account. So you can easily shorten every link you have that is actually long. So it's not just going to give you a bunch of links that's shortened. If your link is actually long, meaning it's probably more than 60 characters, then the system will automatically handle the link shortening for you through your Bitly account. Now we do also have the repurpose option. So the repurpose option is very, very handy here. What you do is you choose how do you want to repurpose. For example, you can start off by repurposing videos, aka from TikTok or Instagram, getting your newly updated videos or created videos and distribute those videos automatically as YouTube Shorts or even Facebook Reels, other channels, TikTok or Instagram profiles. Just upload it once, publish everywhere. And same thing for tweet to image. All you have to do, give us a tweet URL, we'll convert it to an image in no time, and you can use that and publish it to Instagram. That way you keeping your audience engaged in both platforms. We do also have a very handy feature which is called post wave. Post wave is basically a repurposing of your blog. You do have many blogs, articles that are not used, and you're kind of like running out of content. You need more ideas, you need new ideas. All you have to do is just give us a blog URL, select the channels here that you want to post to, and then give us any number of posts from 2 to 7. Can create a week worth of posts from a single blog. And then any CTAs or custom hashtags that will be appended to the post. Once you click repurpose article, the system will use AI, will fetch the article content, optimize it, and create a number of posts and have them ready for you to use. And you can then click update, add, modify to the posts however you want. Lastly, we do also have reports. So you have a centralized view of all your social media analysis. For example, you can see here in this page, you have X number of followers, posts, and likes. And same, you can also later on, you can also, if your plan is eligible, you can view detailed analytics for each single profile. Another cool thing is the library, which, as you saw earlier, using it in the compose section is very easy and straightforward. All you have to do here, the library is very handy if you have many media and you're struggling to keep things organized. So what you do is basically create folders inside RobinReach. So you create folders, upload photos to the folder. Let's say I have this folder. I can create a new one called media, create a folder. Once my folder is created, there's an option inside the folder here to upload. Either I can upload from my computer or choose Unsplash. For example, searching for a dog, and I have this is nice little one. Then click upload, and then it will save the image to the folder. Where later on in the compose section, I can use that folder to attach media from a specific folder to a post through here. You can see here, so choose library. This is the newly created folder, and this is the image. Save and continue. Close this and choose a page. And there we go. That's it. So this is briefly a quick overview of RobinReach and what RobinReach does. We do also have other extremely handy features such as Media Kit. RobinFit is basically resize all media and make sure your media matches the platform specifications. Each platform, they have their own specifications. RobinFit makes sure all your media are meeting the platform criteria. And same for Robin Pixel, which is basically an AI generator for the images. All you have to do, select the image size, select the style, and then give us a prompt. Click generate. Our tool will handle it and will create the image for you here. You can save it and use it however you want. We have also quick access to your posts. We have a drop down dedicated to managing profiles and your billing, your company settings, managing your team members, managing your posts and social profiles. And lastly, there's also an option to use dark or light mode. Thank you for your time and enjoy RobinReach.